Let's begin by making the dough. In the bowl of your stand mixer, add 3/4 of a cup of warm water, followed by 1 packet of instant yeast, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Using the hook attachment, give that a quick mix. Then add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Mix at a medium speed until the dough comes together. If the dough is a little bit sticky, then add a little bit more flour and continue mixing. Once the dough is no longer sticky, you are good to go. Shape the dough into a ball just like so. Then to the bottom of the bowl, add a splash of oil. Add a splash of oil to the top of the dough as well. Now cover and let it rise for 1 hour. And once your dough has risen, punch the air out. Transfer the dough to a large cutting board and sprinkle a little bit of flour. Now roll it into a large rectangle. Then spread out a thin layer of pizza sauce. I am using 1/3 of a cup. Then layer with your favorite pizza toppings. I am using salami on one side and pepperoni on the other side, but you could do whatever toppings you like. You could do lunch meat, sausage and peppers, whatever. Sprinkle 1.5 cups to 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. Then sprinkle with half a cup of Parmesan cheese. We're not done sprinkling. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Now roll up the dough just like so. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 200 degrees Celsius. Then cut the pizza roll-ups into 2-inch pieces. Then combine 3 tablespoons of melted butter with 1 teaspoon of dried parsley and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Give that a quick mix. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Transfer the pizza roll-ups to the baking tray and brush them with the melted butter mixture. Now, bake the pizza roll-ups at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 14 to 16 minutes. And if everything goes according to plan, your pizza roll-ups will look like this. Serve the pizza roll-ups with a side of pizza sauce and enjoy! There you guys have it. Pizza roll-ups. Enjoy! Buen provecho! Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye!
Yeah.